Hello YouTuber woobers. So this is a quick video. I wanted to show you down the road we got some neighbors that have just installed these panels. Looks like there's 12 on each pole. These are adjustable so they for the tilt. I think they manually go out and set it between the winter position, maybe spring and fall, and the summer position. So right now we're in summer, and it'll switch. So this is the way to go, and putting them on a roof that has only one angle. This is the way to maximize everything, and then you don't have to worry about your roof when these things are on your roof. But it is a pricey way to go, and yeah, but this is the way to go, and it's on my wish list. Ta-ta. Peace for enough for all. Food, water, clothing, healthcare, housing, education. Peaceful enough for all.